Welcome back to Taste of Change. I'm Dr. Irina Koles, and the program is supported by Bazaar West Supermarkets. Today we'll cook salad. And the salads are usually associated with the dieting and kind of depressing thing, but we'll make it nutritional, delicious, and very healthy, in a very healthy way. One of the great products Bazaar supermarkets have, it's smoked trout. And I think it's hot smoked trout. They come with these pieces, pretty soft, and I thought that why don't make a salad with this? Instead of chicken, we can use great fatty fish, and the fattier fish is, it's better for you. So I've got this wonderful fish. I cleaned it, so it looks appealing, and I'm not dealing with this here. I've got greens. I like this mixed green just for beauty and different colors. So you can use whatever you want, spinach or arugula. And what goes perfectly with fish? Celery. They are very good partners. Lemon, of course. Onion. And I also got some tomatoes. They will make it look better, colorful. So we'll add fish to greens. You see, the pieces are, it doesn't have small bones, so it is really easy to clean and very nice taste. I like using sweet onion. Again, it's a matter of taste. If you don't like sweet, use another one. I think this amount is okay for our salad. Celery sticks. As I've already mentioned, wonderful addition to fish. So we'll use the opportunity to add it to our salad. Oh, it's so fresh, smells so good. Okay. We'll add several tomatoes. Oh, these are beautiful. They are not round. Oh, I even didn't notice this. They're so cute. I know there are several shortcuts for cutting tomatoes, but you know, I like when it is handmade with love. Okay, look at this. Very nice. Let's come back. Tomatoes. The amount and proportions are absolutely, they don't matter, because it is, you can add more tomatoes, more celery or whatever. We are talking about components. What kind of salad we want to prepare to be satisfied at lunch, to be as a lunch meal or dinner meal. So at this point we have fish, greens, more greens, onion, tomatoes. This kind of salad is good. The problem is it doesn't have enough protein, and it will not satisfy your appetite for several hours, maybe for an hour and a half, and this is it, and you'll get hungry again. I recommend adding chickpeas. amazing addition to salad. Plant existed protein, high fiber, delicious, delicious thing. So don't be greedy with chickpeas. I'll add all can. Isn't it cute? Another big mistake which comes with salad, the problem is not to make salad with vegetables. The main issue comes with dressings. And it is even twice, it is more, it's very sad because you think that you eat healthy salad, but then you use Italian dressing or any heavy dressings with sugar and starch. They're always full of sugar and starch, or croutons, or shredded cheese, and this is it. Your healthy efforts are gone. Nothing left of your salad. So it's all was waste of time and energy and efforts and money. Dressing for salad is very, very important. Don't hesitate to ask when you go out. Always ask when you are asked for dressing. Always say just olive oil and vinegar, and you'll be served it right away. Take good care of yourself. Take a good care. No one is going to care except of you. You are in charge. You're in charge for your own health and for your own well-being. So ask relevant questions, be demanding. It's about you and your life. So as I mentioned, I'm not going to use vinegar with fish salad. So definitely lemon is even better solution. Also, the good thing about adding lemon is then you can maybe skip the salt if you are following low salt nutrition. If you don't need, you don't need. So very good organic extra virgin olive oil. I found it Bazaar West. Looks so nice and good quality. Okay, we'll add olive oil very generously. Let's wait with the salt, but we'll add pepper. Black pepper is always a great thing to add to the salad. Mix together, they get the thick structure, which is good. And this is it. It was pretty fast. So we add nice dressing, freshly made, without sugar, without thickening items and preservatives to the salad. Oh, isn't it cool? Now we'll mix it, preferably with the wooden spoon. Do not destroy it. From the right to the left, from the bottom to the top. This is the way to take good care of your salad. Look how beautiful it is, and nutritional. You see, eating this, you'll go through the day very energetic. Let's transfer it to a nice dish. It's ready. Smoked trout and chickpeas salad. You were watching Taste of Change by ActonTV, supported by Bazaar West Supermarkets. come back for more recipes, and you can find more recipes on the YouTube channel and on website weightdestiny.com. Thank you for being with us. See you later.